Hypothermia. Introduction. Because hypothermia affects a person's thinking, they may not realize they are in danger or that they need help. Select true or false. Correct. Babies and the elderly are especially at risk for hypothermia. Select true or false. Correct. The bodies of babies and seniors have a harder time staying warm. Seniors also have a harder time sensing the cold. Should you use a hot water bath to warm a person with signs of hypothermia? Select yes or no. Correct. This could burn the skin and can lead to irregular heartbeats and death. Thank you for using Explain.